Welcome back to the Preposition Masterclass. In Lesson 1, we learned why we say on the bus, in the car, and at the airport. Today, we bring the prepositions home, literally. Why do we say on the table, in the box, or at the door? These aren't random words, they follow logic. Let's break it down. Prepositions describe how we see the space. For objects and spaces, it often comes down to three things: the surface, a container, a point. We say on the table because table is a surface. If something is touching the top of the surface, it's on. The book is on the table. The cup is on the shelf. Your phone is on the bed. We say in a box because box is a container. If something is surrounded or enclosed, it's in. Your keys are in your bag. She put the toys in the box. There's milk in the fridge. Fun fact, we also use in metaphorically. In trouble, in a meeting, always in an enclosed state or situation. Now, at the door, we use at for points or positions, especially when the exact position doesn't matter, just as a reference point. Someone is at the door. He's waiting at the corner. We met at the entrance. So let's compare in the door and at the door. In the door means you're physically stuck in the door, so you cannot get out of the door. At the door means the position near the entrance. So here's a little cheat sheet for you. To remember, on is the surface. In is the container. And at is the point or position. So when you think surface, say on. When you think container, say in. When you think point, think at. Now you know why it's on the table, in the box, at the door. Prepositions are about perspective, surface, container, and point. In episode 3 of the Preposition Masterclass, we'll look at the prepositions of time. In July, on Monday, at 5 p.m. That's another really confusing area. Don't miss it.